Hello, this is XIV, also known as Zombie Furby on Zombie Escape. This is a tutorial on how to build character models from Final Fantasy 14 to Construct 2. So first you want a character and you want these two add-ons. One is called Glamour, lets you change your clothes around and stuff like that. I use that to get the artifact here from the Black Mage. And then you're going to want to use Penumbra. This what actually lets you extract the model data. So we just want the 5 wizard pieces, the hair, the face, the tail, and then these 2 body files. Ignore this one. You can tell if you go to text edit, it'll look like this, which is bad. You don't want to import that one. So if you accidentally gloss across it, do not save it to your folder. Alright, once all that, so using text tools, feed it to pieces one at a time. Go to text edit, go to change file, put the file path in, and there's the hat. You go to save as FBX, make a folder for all your pieces. I'm not called my Black Mage, and I have all the pieces here. So once you're done exporting all the pieces, you gotta put them together. So go to Blender, and I already did. I'll do it again just so you know the process. Alright, so delete the cube, set units to Imperial, File, Import, FBX, navigate to your folder, and import everything except this evil one I told you about. Ignore that one. You can ignore the weapons too. And that's how I got that. So now you want to make a skeleton. And you do need the Cat's Blender tool plugin for this. I'll show it for you right here under add-ons, Cat's Blender plugin, look it up. You need it. So now what you want to do, select everything, hit Control A, do all transforms. This will enable you to merge a skeleton. So we want to merge everything to this piece. So we find that piece. We get a better look. So tell us. So you can see here that it's highlighted. So that means it's good. So what we want to do is go to merge base 4, because that's what that is for that piece. You want to merge all bones, join meshes for this model. Some models you don't need to, and we just click this a lot. There's our base. Now if you look to my other tutorial, you already know how to import animations, so I'm not going to go over that. It's basically the same process. You hit import, FBX, you find an animation you want, go to the armature, Control F12, go to action editor, do that. You also want to insert at frame 0 frame. That's going to help avoid glitches. And then you'll remember that happens, which I always forget. Rotate by -90, hit Control A, then hit rotation to deltas. Now I'll fix that problem. Now this time when we try again, Shift F12, do this, insert at frame 0, Then that's the I key if you are paying attention. And then hit play. And there's your animation. So I already went ahead and imported that to Blackmage. You'll see an error on this screen. For this model anyway, you can just ignore it. Doesn't need to be fixed. The model will still work just fine. And here's the model. Now, you'll remember, the texture process is a little asinine. That's not going to go away. There should be a way to automate that process using a script, but I don't have one yet. And that's it. I'll show you in game how it looks. We have 2 character models from Final Fantasy XIV, and we're good to go.